Well, I can finally say it, the world's gone mad. Fear and greed have overtaken sensibility and good judgment. This is in Germany. A lot of people are waiting for the store to open. Since the coronavirus outbreak in their country, they started panic buying food to store in their houses. And people in California are panic buying groceries due to the coronavirus outbreak, news in nearby Washington state. At Cosco in Sunnyvale, California, people are lining up for hours just to get inside to buy food and other items to store in their houses. At Irvine, Costco warehouse was pretty much worse than San Francisco, which was already pretty bad. And where the N95 masks should be, nothing. Even in Ireland, people are panic buying bread and other items. It's difficult to watch this kind of behaviour and realise that there are far more of them than there are of us. We could be in actual danger in the weeks to come if we venture out to get food and necessities. In Queens, New York, people are lined up and ready to buy essential needs due to fear over the CV. A large group of Army National Guard personnel has been spotted drilling in Oregon in the northwestern United States. After deaths were reported in Italy due to the CV, people are panic buying at supermarkets. Schools are closed, hotels are closed, all shelves are nearly empty in this and many other stores. Here's an older Italian referring to how the panic buying was not as bad at the beginning of World War II. At one of the Chinese supermarkets in New York, people are nearly fighting over the stockpiling of rice. And in Hong Kong and Australia, people are spreading rumours about toilet paper running out. This leads to people panic buying and buying far more than they need. People in malls in Japan are hoarding toilet paper and other items due to the recent CV outbreak. And in Zimbabwe, people are panic buying goods and fighting over cooking oil. In Sweden, shelves in the store are almost empty from people who are panic buying goods and other items due to the CV outbreak. And in Milan, Italy, supermarkets are almost empty because people are starting to panic buy goods. Even in Mexico, a lot of people in the store are panic buying goods. Worldwide, it seems that fear and greed are becoming more dangerous than the disease itself.